Hi guys, I'm Anna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing like a makeup tutorial kind of thing. I have my bare clean face that I've just washed and let's get started. So this makeup routine is based on the color theme orange. My boyfriend gave it to me and asked me to use the orange color in my eyeshadow today, so we'll be doing that. And let's get started. So first I'm going to be using the Pond's BB Plus cream. I do not use a foundation, so this is all I'm going to be putting on my face. I'm going to take a little bit of this on my finger. Like this. And I'm going to put dots of it under my eye. Over my eye, on the T-zone, on my cheeks, I believe a little goes a long way, so that's what we'll be doing. I'm gonna dampen my beauty sponge. Hair. Like that. And now, remember, never swipe, always dab. That's it. I already look so fresh. Excellent. Now let's start working with our eyeshadow. So I don't have anything planned as such for this look. I'll be going with the flow and figuring it out as I go. But this is the My BFF Spotlight eyeshadow by Glam21. I love this eye palette because it's so pigmented and it was so cheap, and you get like a really wide range of colors that are heavily pigmented, so I love it. Okay, I'm gonna take a fluffy brush first of all, and I'm gonna use this yellow right here. I'm gonna make sure to pack it over my eyelid. I'm gonna be generous with it. Since it's a light color, it's not easily visible. So I'm gonna be generous with it. I think when I pull out my eyeshadow out of my eyebrow, it gives me like a snatched look like that, and I love that. So that's what we'll be doing on both sides, just a little bit above the eyebrow. That looks amazing for now. Okay. This is my way of like cleaning the brush. Since it's a light color, I'll use the same brush for a darker shade. I'm gonna go in with some pink, this pink right here, and very lightly. I will not be using this generously because this is like my transition shade right now. हल्के हाथ से एकदम just making the shape of my eyelid. I like how this one is looking already. This is what it looks like so far. I like it. Next up, I'm gonna go in with my orange. Okay. So I'm using a different palette, which I don't know, it's been so long, it's been with me, I don't know where I got it from, but I'm gonna be using this orange now. I'm gonna use my second My BFF Glam 21 Spotlight eyeshadow in this shade, this like coppery shade, I don't know if you can see it. This one. I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it. That looks good. Gold from the same eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna put it on the inner corner. Just like that. This is what sunset vibe that I was going for. Looks great. Okay. Time to do my eyeliner. I'll do that off camera and then I'll be right back. So I've done my eyeliner off camera. This is the whole look. I'm gonna be putting on some kajal. I'm gonna be using this metallic brown on my lower lids from Academy of Color Nudes 3 eyeliner. That was loud. I think this looks amazing. Next up, I'm gonna be doing my mascara. Next up is contouring. I'm gonna use my Kiss Beauty contour stick, which I've had since God knows how long. Water on it. just like that. This side. Just like that. That looks much better. It's gonna look a lot more tied in once I use the blush. So that's what we're gonna do next. I'm gonna take my pink fluffy blush and I'm gonna use, this is the mini blush in the Pink Pinnacle 02 shade by Sugar. It's the one I'll be using today. I love blush. Lastly, I'm gonna use some setting powder to like set the areas that we conceal. Oops, I forgot to blend this. No worries, I'm just gonna do that now. This is what it looks like. I'll be adding some highlighter. Love this highlighter. On the other side. Done like a bright eye, I think I'm gonna go a little bit with something that's more mute. So I'm gonna use the Pop XO lip gloss in the shade Frosting. Hair and everything, but this is the final look that you guys can check out the makeup. I'll be setting it with a setting spray later on. So the setting spray I use is Insight Makeup Fixer Spray. this is it. I'm Anna. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for my new videos, I hope. Bye.